They walk together, searching for food, unaware of the heartbreak ahead. A sudden slip, the kitten disappears into darkness. The mama circles the grate, panicked, searching, meowing. Below, the kitten cries, eyes wide, longing for her mama. The mama screams, her voice cracked with desperation. The kitten's cries grow louder, scared, alone, trembling. The mama begs nearby humans,
"Help me!"
pleading with her eyes. The kitten looks up through the bars, frozen with fear.
Oh my God.
The mama guides a man to the great eyes, saying everything. He kneels beside her, sensing her silent agony.
Oh no!
Tiny paws reach from the dark, desperate for touch. The cover lifts, light floods in, their eyes meet. The kitten is lifted safe, the mama exhales relief. She licks him gently, checking, soothing, loving, her heart whole again. They reach out, touch the man's hand. Thank you. Together, they walk on love stronger than fear. Please subscribe and comment your feelings and share this story.